Well, good morning, everybody. It is Saturday, I think the 20th already. Woo! This month has flown by so fast. We've had a lot of big projects, and we just picked up a lot of bigger projects. So the next few months is going to be a big push, and you know, God's blessing us and allowing us to continue to grow, and with that growth, it's time to give back even a little bit more. I got the GoPro hopefully fixed. I got a new memory card for it. They sent me the new GoPro. Everything's updated, everything's good to go. So what I'm going to try to do is a carving video. This is not part 2 or anything, but next week I will be doing a part 2 of learning how to carve, understanding the process. That first video I did drawing. So this is kind of a test video. I just want to see how everything's working. The old issues, it would freeze after a few minutes. This one seems to be okay. So we're gonna find out. I'm excited. We got a lot to do in a little amount of time. This piece in particular is getting picked up in about 5 hours, and it's going to be a bear laying in a log with a couple other things. So let's get to it. GoPro's holding out okay. Towards the end of the video, I was just watching the playback. It still had an overeating issue, but we got most of the carving, so pretty good. I'm gonna call GoPro again and see what more it needs. So let's take a look at the rough out portion, and I'll kind of explain really quickly some of my thought process behind it, and then we'll get into the detailing side. Like I said, he's picking it up in probably a couple hours, so I'm gonna make this as quick as possible. So that first cut is the triangles we keep talking about, here, here, and here, and just making sure this thing's working. I'm always weirded out now that it's not working, and I'm just talking to myself, which is pretty accurate. But there was a little hump right here. You can kind of see some of the bark still in there, so I utilized that to make my back for the bear. And then at the end of it, what it missed on the video was just coming through and kind of solidifying everything, pushing things back a little bit more, trimming it up, and yeah, so let's see. These cuts are always fun. They can get a little challenging sometimes, but putting air into a piece is a lot of fun. And then he's got his little head on the other side over here. And so everything seems to be pretty proportionate. And he's got his other little paw coming in underneath. And that's what this little section is right here. And so I push that shoulder blade kind of deeper back into this section, just to make sure it was flowing right, proportioned, and all that stuff. So, and then at the end, I just had just a little fat roll right here. Push this hip in just a little bit over here. Push that in, so these legs more kicked out that way. So now the work starts. this one got done. Oh, okay, well, hello. This one got done in pretty much, not record time by any means, but a little quick. The customer's on his way, and you know, with some of the previous projects taking a little longer, I told him I'd have it done by Saturday, and it's done. So let's take a look at it real quick. So I do this because the microphone's directional. I just put the coat of sealant on it, so it looks very, very glossy. And this particular sealant is called warm satin, and it actually has a really, really nice gloss to it when it fully cures, and it's a quick drying polyurethane. So he lives about an hour away. We got it polyed, and by the time he gets here, it'll be good to go. But what a fun project, you know, start to finish, normally without any interruptions or dealing with this camera. Try to move it around to keep the scenes changing a little bit, but took about 3 hours, start to finish. So, you know, not the quickest bear, definitely not the slowest bear, but I'm happy with it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. It's been an actual carving video for the first time in a long time, so we'll celebrate that together. I'm gonna work on getting this edited and get it out today or tomorrow. But I appreciate you joining me on this journey, changing the world one piece at a time. I have some really big projects. Like I said in the beginning of this, I wanted to see how well the GoPro would handle the filming. Had a couple hiccups, I'm gonna have to contact them again. But all in all, it worked okay. Okay enough that I'll continue to use it on some future projects and stuff. So I still think I'm gonna get an actual camera and be able to film and know that it's gonna stay running the whole time. But that's it. That's what we're doing today. Sorry, I got distracted. But that's been the journey. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoy this. I love y'all. I really appreciate you guys. I will be doing some more stuff, like I said, coming up soon. I'll do the part 2 to the carving, and so yeah, man, I just felt like so rushed. I had to get everything done, so we made it. I love y'all. God bless. I'll talk to you soon.